Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best Dutch oven brands that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Lodge EC6033 Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Founded in 1896 and based in Tennessee, Lodge is one of America's oldest cookware companies. The family-owned manufacturing company is well known for its cast iron cookware, including its Lodge 6-quart cast iron Dutch oven. While it may be low on the price range, its coveted features give a fierce competition to even high-end ovens. Dubbed as the best cast iron Dutch oven, it lives up to its title by allowing you to saute, simmer, marinate, broil, bake, braise, and roast. Its versatility is backed by its excellent heat retention, unmatched heat distribution, and heat resistance to temperatures up to 500 degrees. Besides this, its superior craftsmanship reflects in its evenly heating sidewalls and lids too. Lodge has used high-quality cast iron with a porcelain enamel coating durability and flawless cooking performance for its construction. Not only is it chip and crack resistant, but the 3 layers of porcelain also offer easy cleanup. If this was not enough, the glossy coating is non-reactive with food and minimizes the need for seasoning the cast iron. Meanwhile, the lid fits tightly on top of the Dutch oven to lock in all the moisture and flavor, and includes an oversized stainless steel knob. Available in multiple eye-catching colors like blue, red, indigo, and Caribbean, the Lodge Dutch oven is perfect for both cooking and serving food. Moreover, you can use this cookware on all types of stovetops and ovens, except for microwaves. Number 2, Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Dutch Oven. Our budget-friendly Dutch oven pick comes from Amazon Basics, a private label brand for over 14 product categories like sports, travel, batteries, cables, and kitchen accessories. Made in China or Taiwan, their products are cost-effective as well as durable. The Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven comes in 4 eye-catching colored enamels, including blue, red, green, and white. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction helps to conduct heat efficiently and distributes it evenly to the bottom, sides, and the lid, giving you perfectly cooked food. Besides this, its hard glossy enamel coating is non-reactive to food to give you healthy and pure food. You can use this multi-purpose Dutch oven to cook food, marinate, and even store it in the refrigerator. On a negative note, its enamel does not offer a non-stick surface for your dishes. Moreover, the sturdy oven comes with large loop handles that balance its weight to secure a grip when carrying it from one place to another. Meanwhile, its heavy lid has a snug fit on the oven to keep all the moisture and prevent heat loss. If this was not enough, the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven is compatible with all cooking surfaces like stovetops, barbecue, and oven till up to 400 degrees. For cleanup, make sure to hand wash it to prevent any chipping. Number 3, Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven. The best Dutch oven for bread in our list also belongs to one of the best Dutch oven brands, Lodge. The round-bottom cookware comes with a versatile lid that can easily convert into a 10.25-inch skillet. Hence, you can use it either as a skillet or as a dome for your Dutch oven. Additionally, the extra space of the lid will give extra height to your oven for roasts, bread, and soup. Besides this, the cast iron oven has robust construction for high durability and gives chefs a perfect non-stick surface. Since the oven is pre-seasoned, you can start cooking without even a delay too. If this were not enough, the cast iron oven would just keep improving its performance with each seasoning. Like other Lodge Dutch ovens, the Lodge Double Dutch Oven will offer you excellent heat retention and even heat distribution. You can use the versatile oven to sear, simmer, broil, roast, bake, saute, and fry, among many other methods. Moreover, this tightly fitting lid will help keep in the flavor and give you delicious food. Lodge has also used sturdy loop handles to balance the heavy weight of the oven and offer you a secure grip. On top of all this, the Dutch oven is compatible with ovens, stoves, grills, induction cooktops, and even a campfire. However, make sure to hand wash the Dutch oven to maintain its seasoning. Number 4, Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Round Dutch Oven. If you're looking for the best Dutch oven for sourdough bread, this might be it. Le Creuset's Dutch oven, which they call a French oven, naturally, is a timeless and gorgeous piece of cookware that you'll likely pass down to your children or grandchildren. Safe on many different cooktops, including induction and ceramic, this Dutch oven is also a versatile and functional piece. The interior, meanwhile, remains a beautiful sand color, so you can easily see what's happening in the pot while attending to your other dishes. The most telling of updates is with the lid though. Stabilizers now prevent escaping steam from rocking the lid. At the tippy top, the improved ergonomic knob is available in stainless steel or light gold and is oven safe up to 500 degrees. You previously had to buy an oven safe knob separately. These Dutch ovens are dishwasher safe, although I prefer to wash mine by hand. You do have to be careful when cooking and washing, as to not scratch the interior enamel and to not chip the exterior. One way to avoid any food burning to the surface is to limit using this on lower heat. Le Creuset Dutch ovens are available. Number 5 Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Round Dutch Oven. Le Creuset and Staub fought a mighty battle for top spot, but the honorable Le Creuset was bested by its fellow French competitor. The Le Creuset, beloved among cooks and kitchen scholars, makes a perfect meal every time. It also offers large handles, which are ideal for moving the pot from the stove to the oven and back, from your stove to the table, or from your house to your friend's place. However, its size means that if you're dealing with tight stove space or want to get multiple dishes going at once, you might run into some problems. This Dutch oven is gorgeous and produces consistently delicious food, but its size means it'll always need to be the star of the show. The sand-colored interior, which makes food staining less noticeable. Also, the handles are particularly large and comfortable, but you should not try to lift this pot with the lid on when it's full. Although it's also dishwasher safe, it's better to just lightly sponge after a good soaking. For a large party of people, a 9-quart Dutch oven is a good choice. Le Creuset, more so than other manufacturers, specialize in these larger pots and name assures top quality.
Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.